most stunning bag in the universe, if you ask me. I love how you can just casually, you know, have it under your arm as well. They have a 30% sale and they're selling a Lanvin cat hover bag here. There we go, cushion heaven. Oh, it costs 20k, this glass cabinet. I got expensive taste. And welcome back to my channel. It is a very summery summer day, a very sunny summer day in London, and we're just gonna drop by Bvlgari. I don't know what Dina is going to show us. I think she has another surprise for me next week, but I'm just gonna stop by, have a little chat with her, see what's new, and yeah, so I chose my Salvatore Ferragamo bag today because it's so beautiful. I love it. And yeah, cheers guys. Look how beautiful London is. Plus, I think guys, I actually finally found some summer shoes that don't hurt. I really like the look of them. Very Gucci-esque and more importantly, comfortable. Guys, look at this lizard Kelly. I haven't seen a lizard Kelly in a really long time. Yeah, they've got beautiful MS bags. And you know what guys, why I love London so much? I've been living in London now for 10 years and you still discover new little streets and alleyways and everything, like every single day. And look how pretty this one is. Oh, I'm just walking past Mio Mio guys, and look at this wicker bag. That's actually a really nice bag. A quick look at Louis Vuitton guys. Let's see what's new. Yeah, we definitely haven't seen these window displays yet. And look at this little bag. It's like a denim bag, but it's gold. Gold denim Dauphine, interesting. And a lot of keyboards. Denim is in. I would have never thought I like denim, but I do. I feel like it's only a matter of time until I get a denim bag as well. Already got 2 denim jumpsuits, guys. A little look at Chanel as well while we're here. So, look at this little sequins bag there. I know the reflection is super difficult. Super difficult to see something. This here is better. Wow, okay, lots of sequins. Nice shirt, nice tweed ensemble, mini 22, pearls, of course, we always see a lot of pearls, and teeny tiny little small leather goods. Dior guys, I said it before, love the pink, love the cushions, really inspire me to get started with our new house. This is like the Joker bag. Purple and green always reminds me of the Joker. Again guys, I'm discovering new things today. This is just like a street away from Bond Street. I don't know why I've never been here. Look at this. It's gorgeous. And here we are guys, Bvlgari. And let's just have a quick look. Cause this is a beautiful leather, isn't it? The gold. But look at the colors. Wow. What do you think? Here we are, and I thought, you know, while Dina is still busy, let me quickly show you my outfit. Because I love this mirror, and I mean, look at this light. It's perfection, isn't it? So this is actually a denim dress as well. It's just white denim. I really like it. Love the shoes. The details, you know, this little white underdress that's coming out there, and then got the white shoes, and I thought I need a little pop of color. Guys, look at this. I have only seen this bag on Instagram. I've never seen one in reality. How gorgeous is this? I think they're around 50k or something like this, because it's gold-plated crocodile. But it is stunning, isn't it? Look at these, but they're all nothing in comparison to this, obviously. Look at the display. Those beautiful flowers. Wow. Obviously we know this bag. They still have one available, however this is a prototype. And I love how they displayed it. And the color of the gemstones. You can just, you know, gorgeous. Can we just see how the light reflects on this? It's absolutely stunning. Here we are with the most stunning bag in the universe, if you ask me. This is 24 karat gold plated crocodile. probably worth the 50k. I don't know the exact price, but wow, I think it comes even in the bigger serpentine pouch version. I've seen it on the website. I love the small size. You guys know I have the small size in the fur, which is like 1 of 10 in the world. But wow, can we just appreciate the beauty? Bvlgari and the beautiful gold-plated crocodile and gold-plated snake, of course, because all the hardware is still 24 karat gold-plated. Green croc, anyone? I think it's stunning. I love all their bags, let's be honest. Oh wow, guys, let's have another look at this denim beauty. Last time I didn't have a look inside. Look at this beautiful green interior leather. Let's try it on again. Yeah, guys, you know I really got into the denim hype, and here we are again with the large serpentine pouch in denim. You guys know, if you've seen my event that I was hosting with Bvlgari, that I might have fallen a little bit in love with this bag. So let me show it to you. Isn't it stunning? I love how the gold contrasts with the denim material. Beautiful. I love how you can just casually, you know, have it under your arm as well and go run around, do some errands or go to a nice little girl's lunch. And in case you want to have a size comparison, that is a large pouch and this is the small one with the mirror effect. Wow. We haven't seen this one in reality either yet. And oh, you have the tiny little mini pouch as well. So that's the mini, that's the small, that's the large. And then look at these beautiful colors. Karung, green karung, the dream. And obviously this is Bvlgari's new It bag. Love the style, comes in so many different colors as well. And the Baya bag is one of their new models as well. Oh guys, that was so lovely to see Dina. We had a really nice chat and exchange, and I know I didn't film that much today at Bvlgari. We're gonna go back next week because she actually has a surprise for me, you know, because I was hosting the event with them, and yeah, but I can't tell you too much yet. So yeah, let's see what else the day brings. Just look how beautiful London is. Everybody's enjoying the sunshine. Okay, I feel like I need a second coffee. Yeah, guys, I almost finished my second coffee already. My coffee addiction is real. Let's look at some vintage bags at Liberty. Okay, I'm excited. Designer vintage. And guys, they have Chanel jewellery. They've got vintage Chanel bags. How cool is this? There's a Prada. Okay, are you ready to see something really cool? A vintage saddle bag in Python. I actually had one of those ones, but mine was like gold and black. Yeah, loved it at the time. Look at this dress. Oh, have a look at this. There we have pink ostrich Birkin. Is this a mini hug? It's such a weird shape. This is like a small hug Birkin, I think. Never seen this before. There we have Versace, a lizard bag. Not everything has to be designer, you know. I mean, this is Gucci. Oh, I didn't know that. But sometimes I just like a good vintage bag as well, especially if it's an exotic leather. But this Gucci, I would have not known. Cool. Oh wow, here, this is what I mean. Real vintage beauties and treasures. Beautiful. There we have a vintage Dior. Love it. Beautiful Louis Vuitton. A crocodile, is that Celine? Yeah, it is a Celine bag, so they actually brought this logo back. We see it nowadays everywhere. There we have a Chanel. Cool. And more Louis Vuitton. Beautiful Alma right there. Look how beautifully the leather, the vachetta leather has patinaed. Wow. Some men's work cases and more Louis Vuitton. Well, that was super cool, wasn't it? Liberty has really nice furniture pieces as well. Ooh, and a huge mirror. Maybe let's look at some furniture as well, right? Get inspired for the house. Hello. What a mirror. I love it. This mirror is gigantic. Yeah, if you want to go full maximalism. Why not? And they have really nice cushions here and really crazy things as well. Look at this. There we go. Cushion heaven. Oh. And look at this lamp. Oh, I love it. I love everything with birds. I think we're gonna see a lot of bird-themed things in our new house, and especially in my filming room. Oh, I love this. Nice display cabinets. They are actually nice. Huh. Hi. And look at this one. Ooh, this table is pretty. And just out of interest, it costs 20k. This glass cabinet. I got expensive taste. The garden room. Look how pretty. Just walked past Fenwick and they have a 30% sale and they're selling a Lanvin cat hobo bag here. Okay, let me put my bag down and check how much they still are. So, wow, instead of almost 1.8, you're paying 1.2. Guys, if you want one, that's your chance. Love this gunny bag, I have to say. Pretty casual, pretty cool. Oh, hello. These are even 50% off. Oh, let me grab this. Wow. Love pearls. So how much is it? Okay. Another Lanvin hidden away here in between the contemporary brands. Huh. No way. No way, guys. Oh, that's new arrivals. I was just gonna say, oh my god, they have the classic black and gold in the sale. No, they don't. That's the new arrivals section right next to the sale one. But they have the teeny tiny little one. So cute. Hello. So, let's see what goes around, comes around, has on offer for us. Classic vintage Chanel. And this one is not even deflated. Really nice. And I love this mirror too, guys. Hello. And some Louis Vuitton, lots of Louis Vuitton actually, Fendi. Okay guys, I've always been a fan of Kurt Geiger bags because they come out with such cool models and they have so much variety. I love it, but I've never seen something like this before. Oh god, I love this Kurt Geiger bag. Wow. I think with this one, it wouldn't really bother me that it's not designer. I would say this is designer. Like what? We need to figure out how much it is. But, hi. Wow, you can't really see the shimmer. It's not coming across properly on screen. It's glittery like crazy. I'm speechless. So, I love it. Okay guys, it's £250. What do you think? I love it. Okay guys, so that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little unexpected shopping vlog, and yeah, if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon, guys. Bye. And one last shot of London, guys. Woo. Okay, let's go.